Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to The Day Trader. My name is Martyn Lucas. We're live here every morning for the opening bell and the closing bell here live on YouTube. I know we have viewers now watching us on TikTok. We're also live on Facebook, multiple websites. We're all over the place. But if you're watching me right now on TikTok, this is what I recommend you do. Everywhere else you can see my trading screens. On YouTube is the best place to be, because on TikTok all you can see is my face, and it isn't a lovely face. So if you want to see my trading screens, my real money, what I'm actually trading on, and so on and so forth, you need to switch to YouTube. How you do that is you click the profile right here, find the icon on my profile. It's the Instagram icon. Click the Instagram icon, and right behind the Instagram icon, click on the YouTube link. You'll be live here, live in my live chat. You'll see my trading screens. You'll see what we're trading. You'll see my real money. What I do here is different than the many other broadcasters. I trade every day live with my own real money. I'm not a financial advisor. I was voted by Elton John as the world piano man. I'm an entertainer, musician, but I invest my income for my future, my pension. And you see me trade live. We discuss it. We have a great team of technical guys who study charts. You can see what I'm trading on, all my stocks and shares. I share with you my real money. So if you want to be part of that, click the profile right here. Wherever you're watching right now, switch over to YouTube. The YouTube link is everywhere. It's here in the icon. Click the icon again, find the Instagram icon, click on that, and you'll be right here into my YouTube live show, and then come into the live chat. All right, if it's your very first time here, if you're watching us now on YouTube, please click subscribe and ring the bell. And once you've done that, of course, then give this video a thumbs up. We are now going into our 7th week on YouTube. 7th week here on YouTube, TikTok, and so on. Brand new channel, what we're doing here. And we have now grown to, drum roll please, here we go. Let's bring up the Google screen and show you. Here we are right now. This is my portfolio on the screen. 1,260 subscribers in 7 weeks. Absolutely fantastic. Really, really great. Okay, let's go over live now to my portfolio. And let's have a look. As you can see, we're down today. We've had an awful run the last few days. Awful. This is the worst my portfolio has ever been. I'm now up overall on total 7.5%. Graphics card is here. Welcome, graphics card. First person to chat live on YouTube in the live chat. How are you this morning? Thank you for being here. We've got 8 likes now to the video. Let's smash another one. Let's get to the average, which is 15. We want to start making our average 20 if we can this week. Give us a thumbs up. Let us know you're here. Great stuff. Hey, Anmol Pathak. Hey, we got a new member, I think. Anmol, welcome to the team. Are you? Did you come over from TikTok? Let me know. And subscribe and ring the bell. If you ring the bell, you'll be notified when we go live. And give us a thumbs up as well, which helps promote the video. Once we get past 20, YouTube start to suggest the video. Hello. Anmol, where are you from? What part of the world are you from? What are you trading? These are my shares right now here on the screen. We've got just 25 minutes before the bell goes. Riskified, I've just been notified from Robinhood, has just gone down as well. So there we go. Anmol, where are you from? And did you come across from TikTok? Just so I know where you came from. Would be nice to know. All right, okay, let's have a look at all our trades right now. These are the trades we're keeping our eye on today. We've got the overall port. India, well, welcome everybody. Anmol is new to the show. We've got a great team here. Graphics card's already here. Bill is already here from Canada. And welcome. Our very first guest from India. Lovely stuff. Right, here's my position. These are all my stocks and shares, plus we got Bitcoin as well. All right, Amazon is up. Johnson & Johnson is up. No, I'm just randomly searching and got that. Well, thank you very much. Thanks for popping by. I'm from Myanmar. Hello. Welcome, friends from Myanmar. Lovely to have you here. We're friends over there on TikTok. Love you to be part of the main show. Click the profile. Hit the Instagram icon and hop into YouTube. You will see my trading screens. You do not see it over there on TikTok. Okay, Tesla is up nearly 1%. That's fantastic. Facebook is up 0.92. We've got 24 minutes before the bell goes. Graphics Card and Bill, please welcome Anmol, a new member from India. Just found us on YouTube. All right, Apple, we're up 1% now. Coke is up 0.43. Let's have a look at the overall portfolio. The overall portfolio is now moving down slightly. That must be Bitcoin. Is it Bitcoin or is it SBCE? My two biggest positions. There. It's SPCE. SPCE is down 2.75. Oh no, he retracted a message. Oh no, that's a shame. That he probably said something. Oh, he's retracted all his messages. That's weird. He's retracted all his messages. Everyone's welcoming Anmol. He's from India, but he's just retracted all his messages. I've no idea why. Okay, Virgin Galactic down 2.74. That's not good. We don't like that, do we? Ford Motor Company are up 0.47. Welcome, Bill. Welcome, Alicia. Welcome, Martin. Welcome back, Martin, after your very difficult week. Good morning and happy Monday. Thumbs up the video. Let's get this on. Okay, we got 11 likes now, which means the crowd's all here. Our friends over there on TikTok from Myanmar. I've never had anybody from Myanmar before as well. Welcome, welcome, welcome to you. Come and join us. Leah, good morning, good morning, good morning. 12 likes now. We're off and running. Okay. So let's have a look at our trades we made last week. We're going to have a very difficult week, guys. I think as well. Look. Oh, Global Star down 13%. Ouch. Oh, right. This is going to be a situation, right? 13% this morning. That's great. McAfee is up 2%. Oh, okay, I'll take that. Bitcoin is down 0.5% today, but look at GSAT, down nearly 14%. Hi from TikTok, Benjamin Thomas. Benjamin Thomas has got a guitar. He's a musician like myself. Welcome all musicians. Everybody welcome our new member, Benjamin Thomas from TikTok. Thank you very much for being here. Benjamin, where are you from? Where in the world are you from? I'm also a musician. I'll share with you my TV studio right behind me. Look, this is my music studio. I was voted by Elton John as the world piano man, and I go live every day from my studio. And if you're a musician, I can promote you. I have a channel that promotes artists and musicians. So if you're interested, just ask me about that, and I'll tell you all about it for free. I just promote you because I like helping people. Right, let's go back to the my main screen again. Here we go. So Bitcoin is down. Look at GSAT, everybody. Hi, full-time backing guitarist. Oh, lovely stuff. I have lots of friends like that. I toured with the British Philharmonic Orchestra with a theatre show in London, and I had a whole host of musicians. Exos up 8%. That's good. That's good. But look at GSAT though, everybody. We've got major problems with GSAT, down 13%. Hi, Benjamin. Everybody's welcome in, Benjamin Thomas. Benjamin, are you trading? What are you trading right now? This is my actual money, my actual portfolio. And I've grown this from 5,000 to 52,000 in nearly 5 months now. And but the last few days we've taken a bit of a wallop, but we're still up 7.5%. But it's had quite a dip. So there we go. Let's go through the shares this morning. Amazon's up 0.48. Johnson is up 0.37. Tesla is up 0.68. Dow Industrials point toward 200 plus point gain on Monday. Okay. Facebook is up 0.91. Apple is up 1. It's so many things are up this morning. This is why you want a diverse portfolio. It's very, very, very important. Benjamin, tell me where you're from and how we can help you. That's what we do. I have this TV studio, I go live every day, and I feature artists here. If you've got a YouTube channel or a TikTok channel and you want to... We digress. I played for Adele, Sam Smith, Brother Leo, and great. Good, we've got some good company here this morning. Good stuff. I had a theatre show called One Night in Vegas in West End of London for 8 years, and that's where I performed as the Phantom and voted as World Piano Man by Elton John. But we're trading here. If you want to be promoted on my channel, just reach out to me, send me a message in any one of my videos, and you can be a guest on the show or whatever you like. But anyway, it's good to have you here. Let's have a look. AT&T is up 0.4. Disney is up 1. See that so many stocks are up today, but we're being hit by Virgin Galactic. UK, just watching to see what happens. Oh, cool. I'm from Cornwall in the UK, but I'm now based here in Texas. We're a brand new channel. We trade here every morning. TR Vancor, a new member. Where are you from, TR Vancor? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome to the show. This is our sixth week as the day trader. And we go live every morning, every evening. And we have a great team in here that share their trades with you. We do technical analysis, we look at the markets, we trade live, we make live deals, we learn about Bitcoin. This is my Bitcoin position, by the way, which is currently 8,180. It was 10,000. I took some money off the table. I took some profits, which is good. But here we are. Right now, we are down 0.5%. It's been a really rocky week, but I haven't sold any of my Bitcoin, and you shouldn't sell any of your Bitcoin. TR Vancor from the UK. We get a lot of people from the UK. It's strange. We get so many people from the UK. It's more than we do in America, which is kind of odd because it's the opening bell in America right now. Okay, we've got 15 minutes to go. There's going to be some big action here with GSAT. I tell you that for nothing. Global Star, we've got tomorrow. Tomorrow, we've got, or later on today, Apple will be releasing their new iPhone, and there's talk that Global Star, GSAT, will be providing satellite link up. So, not fully out of the bag, not fully ready to go, but it's coming down the line. So, wow, Benjamin, another musician in the house. I'm a drummer, but I started with guitar. There we go. Cool stuff. I think I've got... Yeah, I was going to show Benjamin in the studio. See how the camera... Just behind here, like I showed, here's the piano. Here's the piano just here. All right. Right. Let's go back to it. Okay. Our friends over there on TikTok, this is why you need to be on YouTube, because look, this is what my guys on TikTok can see. They see this. All they see is me sat in the chair. So you want to be on YouTube, right? Okay, there we go. But let me show you the updates this morning. Here is my Robinhood profile right now. As you can see, it's taken a bit of a dive. Advaxis is down 2.5% as well. We've got all sorts going on this morning. All right, let's keep our eye. We've got some breaking news we're going to bring you in a minute. But we do expect to see McAfee now up 1.91. This is great. We made an investment in this last week, so that's good. But Global Star down this morning. We've got a lot of shorts going on, a lot of traders who made profit at the 30%. I fancy dabbling, say about £4,000. Well, let me show you my portfolio. I've grown this, Benjamin, from 5 to 52,000 in just under 5 months. Okay, I took some money out. That's why it's only showing 7.5% profit up, because I took a lot of money out, restarted it. But that's where I am right now. I'm just investing in profits. I don't have a mortgage. I don't have a car loan. I'm investing my savings. That's kind of what I'm doing. So rather than having it in the bank at 0.5%, I invest here. Let me show you my full portfolio. Never copy me. I'm not a financial advisor. But we got a team here who assist and support and offer their advice in the way of opinion. This is my top 10 stocks I will never sell. Amazon, Johnson & Johnson, Tesla. Unusual to say Tesla in the top 10, but it is. All right, Facebook. We got just 14 minutes before the bell goes. Has everybody smashed the like button? We're a brand new channel. We need to get promoted by YouTube. So to do that, we need you to subscribe and ring the bell. But the most important thing is give us a thumbs up. Once we get 20, YouTube start pushing our video out. And if you thumbs up the video, all our team will love you forever, and Mr. Love will say thank you very much. All right, so Facebook is up 3% today, nearly 4%. Apple, these are all my top shares I'll never sell. Coke, of course, you've got the dividends. A lot of these have dividends. AT&T, Disney, VTI, Google. Now we move outside the top 10 shares, in investments that I will keep, but to possibly trade from time to time. SPCE coming in now, which is Virgin Galactic. We're waiting for a pop of 40. That won't come now until next year. I have 700,000 in UK government bonds paying zero. Yeah, exactly. I don't believe in bonds. Think bonds are a waste of time. But that's my opinion. Only my opinion, based upon my experiences. That's all. Facebook 11% down. Rolls-Royce is up 10%. Big investment in Rolls-Royce. Love it. Rolls-Royce is going to be great end of this year, going into next year. MasterCard, PayPal, United Airlines, Tesco's. We got Tesco's here, Benjamin and TR Vancore from the UK. Absolutely, Tesco's. Good dividends as well. National Grid provides the power. Lithium, got to be in lithium. Boeing, Berkshire Hathaway. Mr. Warren Buffett's the only one of my only shares that's never made any money. ARK Invest, investing in the future, technology, SpaceX, all this kind of stuff. ICLN, VU, QQQ. These are all my ETFs. Have plenty of ETFs that spread the cost and spread the risk. Hood, Robinhood. That's up to down. I'm up 10% right now. Riskified, great one, 20%, 27% up. Lucid Group, that's the opposition to... Oh, Ampidu, Seth is here. Welcome. Has everybody smashed the like button? If you just click the like button, it shows YouTube more people this video. So help us out by smashing the like button. Our average is 15. Our record was 27 just a week ago. All right, Harpoon Therapeutics is up today, but still down 32%. Carnival Cruise Lines is up 0.63. NRXP, we're down 7%. Our friend Dras has all his money in that one stock. He's not here this morning. We are worried about him. I hope he's okay. All his money is in that. GSAT and McAfee, there we go. That's all my portfolio shared with you here this morning. All right, let's go over to some breaking news about things that are happening this morning. Let's have a look at this bit of news here. Not that one there. Not that one there. What would you... Okay, this one here I want to share with you.
Welcome back. Your morning RBI has to do with another sport. That is football. And money, by the way. They go together, right? Football and money. But let's talk about a big money issue just as the season kicks off. And if you're like me and the fan of a team that is not in your local market, you don't have a lot of...
I apologize, that's not the story I thought it was. We'll come back to that. That wasn't the story I thought it was. Ampidu, hi, how are you? Okay, we've got 12 likes now. Thank you ever so much indeed. Amazon, right, we've got just 10 minutes to go now. Now, we are going to keep an eye. If you have not got any Global Star, this is linked with Apple right now, right? So if you're watching this right now and you haven't got any Global Star, this is a great opportunity for you to get some Global Star at a discount. Okay, so let me check my portfolio. Have I got any money in my buying power? I don't think I have right now. I only have 78 bucks. I can spend 70. Let me go to Global Stat and let's put 70. Vancore OP. So we are down this morning. I could... Right, I'm gonna buy shares. So I'm gonna buy shares now in GSAT. So shares, I'm gonna buy 50. No, I'm going to buy 30. I'm looking for, there we go, 30. I'm going to buy 30 shares, market price, review order. We need to set a limit price of 235 just to give ourselves some cushion. Right, I'm going to buy some shares there right now. Review order. Okay, order something. Buy. I'm buying those shares. Your order of shares is complete. Done. Okay, fantastic. Okay. I've now increased my 13% average should drop. $12.5%. Yeah. That makes sense. So has my order gone through? Buy 30 shares at 230. There we go. So I bought at 251, 261, and then 230. The idea is to lower my averages. There we go. I've lowered my average. So just to try and put myself in a better position there. I haven't got any more money to spend in Global Star. So what I'm looking at now, what have I got a profit in that I could sell? Remember, I'm never going to sell Amazon. It would be a bad idea in such a market right now. So we'll hold on to that. Johnson & Johnson, I've made a profit there, but in fact, overall, I'm down 1.16. We've got 7 minutes now before the bell goes. We're going to see probably a bounce on Exos is up 8%, everybody. Exos is up 8%. Global Stat is now moving up slightly. McAfee is up 2%, but I'm still down. And Bitcoin is starting to move upward. Good. My overall portfolio now on the day, let's go live to the day, is now moving up. But there it goes. See Bitcoin moving at the end there? Okay. My Liam Business 5 over there on TikTok. If you're over on TikTok, I strongly recommend that you join us on YouTube. The quality is far better. You can see my trading screens. You can't see my trading screens on TikTok. All you can see is my face. If you want to see my trading screens, join us. Pfizer, we'll have a look at Pfizer now as well for graphics card. So hit the profile link right here. Click that. See the icon, the Instagram icon. Click that. Right behind the Instagram icon is YouTube. Click that YouTube link and you'll be here live with me on YouTube. And you'll be in the live chat. We've got technical analysis people here as well who'll start sharing their screens after the bell's gone. So you'll see all sorts. You'll see my real money, my real trades. Pfizer, let's have a look. There you go. You asked about Pfizer. Pfizer is up 0.07 right now. What do we think of that? I've got 10 shares of that. Still down 5% on that one. We're looking at a bounce on all these. TR Vancor. What part of England are you from? We've got a conversation here going on in our team. Wonderful stuff. If anybody wants their ask a question, just put my name at Martyn Lucas or something like that, so it stands out to me. Global Star 260 here in Canada. Yes, Global Star is down in nearly 12%, so I've just improved my position. So I'm looking at something I could sell to buy down there. Let me have a look. Some of my big positions. Let me have a look. SPCE, perhaps. I know they're down, but I've got a lot of money locked up. I could take some money off the table from Bitcoin, but I wouldn't want to do that right now. McAfee. Oh, McAfee's moving up. Bit of a push here, up to 3% now. I'm still down 2%. We haven't made any money with McAfee yet, but that's interesting before the bell. Apple stocks today, because the new iPhone's coming out. So let's have a look. They're at 1% today. Global Star. Liam, is that your name? TR Vancor? There we go. We've made him famous. We've put his name on the screen. Fantastic. There we go. Great stuff. If you just tuned in, we're just 4 minutes away from opening the bell. The opening bell. So you will see the markets fluctuate. Let me have a look. Let me have a look at that. I could take some money off the table there. GSAT. Sell 2 shares of Apple. Sell 2 shares. I could sell 2 shares. Well, I've got 3 minutes. I want to get some money into... Drillian is here. Hi, Martin. Hope you're doing well. Are we ready to start Monday well? Yeah, well, yes. Yes. Look at Global Star. It's down 12%. But I'm looking to make some gains. I'm trying to find something I want to sell. Oh, there we go. Harpoon has bounced 0.5% as well. Oxygen is up 4% as well. What about Lucid Group? Lucid Group is up 2% today. We're moving nicely. Okay, I think this is a morning just to wait and see. I don't want to position myself anywhere else. I think we're positioned where I want to be. There could be a bounce for Global Star. Of course, the new iPhones coming out. It's rumored to be linked with Global Star. So we'll see what happens here. McAfee is up 3%. All my team, smash the like button. Let's get the record today if we can. The record is 27. The record is 27. Right now we've got 12. Daniel, up and away. Daniel Dean is here this morning. Remember Daniel Dean? He popped in last week. He's a former British magical champion of illusion. Good friend of mine. He's on Facebook. He's in the wrong place. Don't talk to him. Daniel Dean, you need to be here on YouTube. Facebook does not help the channel. Come into YouTube. Facebook doesn't help anyone other than itself. You got my like. Thank you, graphic card. Right, let's keep our eye. We got just 1.5 minutes to go, and we're going to see a bounce here this morning. Bitcoin. Daniel, there's a lot of people here from the UK who might be interested in your investment plan. There's a number of people here today who have joined us from the UK who were in the live chat. So talk about what you're doing. Drop your information in there. I'm more than happy to, you need to come over to YouTube though to do that. I'm more than happy for you to promote what it is you're doing until I get into it, and then I'll stop you from doing it. Right, okay, we got 1 minute to go. Keep our eye. Remember, Bitcoin doesn't reflect the main market. I do expect markets to be up today because if you go east of the world, the markets to east of the United States are up. They're up in the FTSE. They're up in Australia. They're up in New Zealand. That's what I was supposed to say. And in Japan. So I expect them to be up here today. That's what tends to happen. That plan tends to work pretty well. Okay, get ready for the opening bell. Are you ready? Let's watch what happens to GSAT. That's very, very important. 1.41% this morning up on Carnival. We're seeing some growth now back in Carnival. Right, Pfizer is now moving up. All right, let's keep our eye. We've got just 15 seconds to go. Exos has just dropped back. Okay, here we go. 10 seconds. Let's see if we get some volatility with Global Star in just 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's ring the bell. Keep our eye. Okay, the market is now open. There we go. It's going down. 15% now. That's the wrong way. I wanted it to go the other way. But remember, we had a 30% bounce, so we have got 15% of room there to go. So it could drop down 15%. Don't be surprised if it doesn't, because people will want to scout that, especially our friends on Reddit who make every effort to manipulate the market, as we all know about. All right, so there we go. This is a difficult month. This is the worst month of the year. September is the worst month. We'll see the most volatility and the most losses this month. All my friends over there on TikTok, welcome, welcome, welcome. Come and join us here on YouTube. Oh, we've got 13 likes now. Fantastic. come and join us here on YouTube and you'll see our trading screens. You can't see it there on TikTok. Click the profile, click the Instagram icon, and right there is the YouTube link. Click on that and you'll be with me live in the studio. And you'll see all my trading screens. All right, okay. Let's have a look where the market's going. The overall portfolio now is moving upwards. That's what we want to see. There we go. Now, it's a SPCE. There we go. It's flat, but it's just dropped back. Down 3% today. Richard Branson's Virgin Galactic. Remember, the stocks were devalued by 500 million. So we got a huge drop. But now with the FDA investigation into their flight plan, that's hurting them as well. Kramer talks about September history. Yes, I studied it the other day. September, it's not always bad, but it's known for being the worst month of the year. So, you know, if you've got a lot invested, it's just kind of like, you know, sit there for a while and you can reposition, but be careful. If you sell some of your valuable stocks to move to more risky plays, you know, you risk. There we go. Bitcoin taking off. Bitcoin's up 1%. It doesn't have anything to do with the market. Don't confuse that with the market. It doesn't. Sometimes it looks like it does, but it doesn't. It has nothing to do with the market. If anyone could tell me differently, please do. But as far as I'm concerned, it has nothing to do with the market. Bitcoin, let me tell you why it's dropped. We were at 52, and the reason why we're getting this heavy volatility because the whales are getting rid of all the people like me and you. The whales are people with millions of coins, millions of dollars invested in Bitcoin, right? If you a regular person like me and you've got $8,000 invested in Bitcoin, right? As you can see on the screen, that's what I've got invested, $8,000. I did have 10 because obviously it's dropped in value. The whales want me to get fearful. They want me to get fearful. They want me to sell so they can buy cheap Bitcoin. Remember, there is only so much. There is only 21 million when it's all been mined, and it's another couple of years to go before it's all been mined. But remember that. That's why this price fluctuates, and why we've had this massive drop over the last few days is when El Salvador got on board, because a lot of poor people, a lot of people with not great wealth had Bitcoin. They thought, all right, then this is a way to get rich without understanding what it was. They saw it drop because the whale sold some and it dropped, and then they sold and lost a lot of money, and now it's all over the place and people have lost a lot of money. When the rich get rich, the poor get poorer. That's what happens. But don't be like that. Understand, invest in something you understand. Then you feel confident, then you relax, then you leave it alone. I can't afford, Daniel will tell you, I can't afford to lose $8,000. Not at all. Right? And I don't believe I will. That doesn't mean to say I know. I don't know anything. What do I know? What does anybody know? But I believe that this will go up. I believe that this will be 100,000 by the end of the year. So I'm leaving it where it is. And we shall see if I'm right. Okay. My portfolio today is down 0.18. Let's get the scores, please, on the doors. We have a competition every day to see who is the winner, who is the best trader of the day. That's your overall portfolio. Where is your position on the end of the day? Right, let's go back to McAfee is up 2.5%. That's really, really good. Global Star is just hovering around this position. Let me expand the chart and take a look why it's doing this. Let's have a bit of a deeper look. Okay, there we go. We had some buy-ins and then we had some sell-offs. There we go. Reasonable volume as well this morning. Reasonable volume as well. So a bit of volatility there. I think we'll see some action today, of course, because of the position with Apple. We'll find out shortly. Nothing we can do about it right now. I'm not going to sell my position. That would be, I mean, I could and take a loss, but I don't see that would be very sensible right now. So I'm going to leave that there. Exos has just dropped back slightly. I was up a little bit more than that this morning, but I've not made any money from that yet, so I don't want to do that. NRXP, we're down now nearly 10%. Martin Redding is up 1.54. Congratulations to Martin Redding. He could be the winner this morning. We shall see. Did Daniel Dean come over to our YouTube channel? I gave the opportunity here, Daniel, to promote yourself. You don't want to be bothered with Facebook. You want to be on YouTube. It's searchable, remember? This is all searchable. Right, Carnival is down at the moment. 0.26, 0.31, hovering around there. I've got a small position now. I used to have $10,000 invested here. It was my second biggest play. We've got 14 likes now. Fantastic. Thank you. The average is 15. So smash the like button and help us out. If you enjoyed this content, consider subscribing and ring the bell. If you ring the bell, you'll be notified when we go live. All right, otherwise you'll miss certain events. AMC is up 4.3. You love your AMC, don't you? I don't know why I'm not in it. I just don't. It's just not me. I don't fancy it. But Martin Redding's makes money from AMC quite often, and it's very hyped and memed on Reddit. It's all over it. People, there's like tens of thousands of Reddit guys who plan it, and they promote. It's borderline illegal. I don't know how they get away with it, but individuals can do what they want, I guess. But you all do it together, and you manipulate the market. Right. Amazon's having a good day, up 0.5%, so we've seen some gains back. Johnson & Johnson up. Tesla down slightly. I'm still up 6% with Tesla. I'm not worried with that at all. Facebook is down slightly. Apple now is just edging back, but still up 0.9%. Coke is now moving up nicely. I've got 30 shares in Coke. AT&T, that's moving up today nicely. I've got one... is that all I've got of that? I've got hardly any AT&T. One of my all-time shares you keep forever, and I've got nothing in it. Oh, dear. Okay. Probably sold at some point and made some profits. Disney, again, is another one. I only have one share in it right now, but there we go. Vanguard, up 0.43%. That's the overall ETF. Me too. I like to put the video on 20 minutes before I go, more or less. You got... me too. I put on the video 20 minutes ago, more or less. Not sure what Alicia's saying there to me, but thank you very much indeed. K Expense, one of our friends who joins us regularly on TikTok, and Davibus. Tap the screen as fast as you can, like this, like I'm doing right now to show you, and that way your comments go to the top. But click the profile link right here, boom, 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 and then find the Instagram link and click that, and then go to the YouTube option, and you'll be on our live trading screens, and you'll see what we're actually trading, and you'll see my real money. That'd be far better experience for you. All right, Microsoft is up 0.62 today. McDonald's down is up 0.31. Walmart today we're looking at up 0.66. Virgin Galactic is down nearly 4% now. We are going down and down and down. This is the lowest position I've been in. Minus 21. Nearly minus... In fact, yes, minus 22. Virgin Galactic. Big opportunities to buy in with Virgin Galactic, folks. It's not my advice, but if I had some money now... God blimey, if I had $4,000 now, I would buy Virgin Galactic. I would drop my 22 down to 12 down, and that would be really, really great. So, but I don't have any cash available right now. It's all invested, which is why we often say on the show here, keep some powder dry, keep some money available. Trouble is, you keep money available. I often do it. An opportunity like that arises, and then the money's gone again. So it's difficult to always keep money available. Rolls-Royce up 2% today. It's just back now down to 1.37. Lucid Group having a good morning. It was up higher, it's just dropped back slightly. Oxygen is just down 0.84. Harpoon Therapeutics is down 6% today. This is the lowest it's ever been for me as well. We're seeing major wipeouts at the moment. Pfizer down 0.5%. Carnival now down 1%. We're seeing some drops now. NRXP down a further 3%. Exos is up 1.3%. GSAT trading sideways, not doing a great deal right now. We have 14 likes. Thank you very much indeed. If you've just joined us, consider subscribing, ring the bell, and give us a great big thumbs up. Appreciate it a lot, man. Mr. Love loves it. It helps us grow on YouTube. We're only six weeks old. This week, I'm forgetting now. Is it this Friday? 6 weeks this Friday, I think it is. I bought AMC at 43 2 weeks ago. Sold some last week, and it's broke through its resistance of $50. Next resistance is 55. Right now, I'm up 20%, but watching very close. Congratulations. Let me post that onto the chat so everyone can see that. That's good strategy there. Martin Redding, he bought AMC at 43 2 weeks ago. Sold some. Remember, people often ask if they've got shares in something. It's I've got some shares in something. Do I sell it or buy it? Buy more or sell it? Remember, you can always sell some of it. That often gets overlooked, and it's a great way to protect yourself both ways. If it continues to go up, you've still got skin in the game. If it goes down, then you took some profits off the table. Nothing wrong. If you've got 10 shares of something and you sell 2 when it's up, sell 2, make some profit. And that's exactly what Martin Redding has done there. And Martin is very successful. 43 2 weeks ago, sold some last week, and it's broke through its resistance at 50. That's when the stock will climb up, and it will keep hitting a point. It will keep hitting its resistance level, and most often it hits it 3 times. And if it then breaks it, then then there's a good sign it will continue to rise for a while and make some profit, right? So it broke its resistance at 50. Next resistance is 55. That's when the chart keeps hitting a point and dropping, hitting a point and dropping. Right now I'm up 20%, so he's happy, and but I'm watching very closely. So there we go. He's in a position now where he can sell all his shares, make 20%, or sell on the way up. And that's it. When you hear people say sell on the way up, sell on the way down, that's what that means. You don't have to just sell out, and exactly like I did the other day with Virgin Galactic. Right, global stats just moving up slightly. Remember, I bought in this morning, so I've lowered my average a little bit, and also I've got some some cheaper shares, which I might be able to then make some money from to go against the losses to balance it out a little bit. Okay, so McAfee's up nearly 3% now. We're doing well today. We're still down, remember. This isn't a great position for me right now. Bitcoin having a great morning this morning, up 3% today. Up 3%. This is a huge. Well, this is the right balance for me. This is 17.36 of my portfolio, and it's a good number, that, because Bitcoin is actually one of my best investments, and also it's driving, it's supporting my portfolio. It's protecting it, to be honest with you. So Bitcoin is a real good underpin for my portfolio. I like this. Expect it to see it drop again until all this settles down. We've got lots of stuff with the Coinbase situation, lots going on. So, but that's a hell of a drop. Look, hell of a pump in the last hour. Look at that. Look at that. See, some people will. What will happen now? Some people will sell that. 44. Wow, look at that. 44.7 to 46.3. 3.5% in seconds. Wow, that's but my overall portfolio is still moving down. That has to be SPCE. Yes, it is. There it is. Virgin Galactic is in all kinds of trouble. Virgin Galactic is absolutely tanking. Now, remember, up and down is always an opportunity. This is an opportunity now to buy Virgin Galactic. If you believe in Virgin Galactic, this is an opportunity. So, for me, some of my stocks that have made some money, this would be an opportunity to buy some cheap stock. Right now. See, I've got $2,500 there of Amazon. I could sell my position of Amazon. I've made $100 on it, and I could buy Virgin Galactic. That's what I'm looking at right now. I'm really seriously considering this sell-off at Virgin Galactic. There's a huge drop here. Yeah, Bill, you're bound to be down because of Virgin Galactic, right? It's down. NRXP is down as well. We're seeing a lot of losses this morning. And Global Star starting to move up. Exos is moving down. NRXP moving down. It's being hit hard now. Carnival's down but starting to pick up. Right. We need to look for some Virgin Galactic news. Let me just take Martyn's comment off the screen. Let's see if we can find out what is happening. Let's have a look at this. Virgin Galactic is delaying its first commercial research space mission after a third supplier warned of potential defect in a component of the flight control system. Virgin Galactic's shares slid. Right, this is why it's dropping. But they'll fix this problem. So this is an opportunity now to buy in. It's what it's saying. I wonder if there's more information here. Okay, let's have a look at this. Virgin Galactic stock is dropping because its next test flight was just postponed. After the space company said it would postpone its next flight until at least mid-October, it blamed a potential manufacturing defect in a component that could have been installed in the company's vehicles. Unit E23, the company's next test flight, was expected to take place late this month or in early October with the Italian Air Force. Okay, they will fix that though. Richard Branson is used to this, so I would say, right, let's have a look. So this is an opportunity now. I am looking at buying Virgin Galactic. Now, some of you might say it could go to 19. It could. Look at that sell-off. Right. Okay. I am looking at making a sale here in something and taking advantage of that. I've made $100 profit, which is not a lot, but Amazon isn't really going anywhere at the moment. And it could have some more losses, so I'm considering looking at selling Amazon. Right, I've just sold Amazon. Looking at Virgin Galactic, there we go. I've just sold Amazon to buy Virgin Galactic. There we go. I've just bought SPCE. So if I refresh the screen now, I was 22% down. Hasn't reflected yet. $24. Right. 23% down. That should have dropped now. It hasn't reflected yet. It will in a minute. Sometimes it takes a few minutes. I am down with SPCE 20% total, but I believe in it. So when it settles down, I may put more in it, but not right now. Well, I think that's very cheap stock for Virgin Galactic, personally. $22.94. There we go. Let me have a look now at it. SPCE. It hasn't yet reflected it. I want to show you how it would have lowered my there we go. It's now showing that I'm 18% down, not 22 down. On the app, I'll show you that the website is a bit behind. See, look. There we go. My average cost is now $29.35 rather than $35 at one point. So there we go. That's what I've managed to do. Look, my average now is down 18%, and on the computer, look, it's showing. See, look. Sometimes the computer's a bit behind. It's just Google Chrome doesn't refresh or whatever it might be. But there, look, down 22%, right? With this drop this morning, and on the app, I'm down 18. So I've improved my position by 4%. So there we go, and we are seeing, look, let's have a look, let's see if we've got some buying coming in. Nothing, no buying coming in yet. Other people, remember, once you start seeing the buying coming in, it's already gone up. It's already happened. You need to get ahead of the game. If you believe in it and you think, yeah, okay, I believe in it, I need to get ahead of the game. Yes, it might drop a bit more, but you'll be in it. If you wait, and I understand why you would wait, then you could lose out. Still dropping. GSAT coming back. Let's have a look. Yes, it is. GSAT's coming back. If you're over there on TikTok, sounds like fear of missing out. It's not fear at all. Mr. Bean 786, not fear at all. I like Virgin Galactic. I like what Richard Branson's doing. I like what he does all the time. It's not fear of missing out. It's the fact that I don't want to miss out. It's not a fear of it at all. But if you sit around and wait, then at some point it's going to bounce back. I know it is. They've got people already signed up to take the flights. It's a great thing. Yeah, I mean, this is an opportunity to lower my dollar averages, take advantage of the drops. I see more growth in this short term than the Amazon short term. Amazon long term, of course, but not short term. And I think it's a great opportunity to get in. And look, you're seeing some resistance to that level. Look, I bet you'll see a few green candles in a minute. Let's look at my overall position. Overall position is down 0.5%. My overall total now is up 7.5%. Let's look at our new stocks. Bitcoin's continuing to climb. That's good. Global Star started to return. Exos is still dropping out. NRXP starting to have a little bounce back. Well, no, it's gone again. Carnival is up, it's just returning slightly. Pfizer is still going down. Harpoon is still dropping back. Ocugen up slightly today. Lucid Group up 1%. Rolls-Royce up 1.37. Ford up. Remember, I want to get out of Ford. GSAT coming back. 16 likes. Thank you very much indeed, guys. Thanks for liking the video. Subscribe and ring the bell if you're new here. And help us grow by clicking the thumbs up button. Walmart is up 0.66% today, doing well. McDonald's up 0.75%. What about Apple right now? Let's have a look. There we go. Trading back a little bit. Okay, we're dropping off a bit further now. SPCE still falling. My average is now 19. My dollar average is now 29.35. GSAT coming back. That's Martin Redding's comment there. Let's keep an eye on it. Martin said, I'd wait. So Martin's waiting on that one. Could be proved right. It's 9 o'clock now. We're half an hour into our. The half an hour is the busiest part of the day. This is when a lot of day traders will come in, do their thing, and then leave. They're done in half an hour. Some are done in minutes. For me, with this position like this, I'll be sticking with it for a little while longer. Possibly a slight recovery now for Virgin Galactic. Just seeing it upturn a little bit. The volume is pretty low, 3 million this morning. It's just a sell-off. There's not a lot of action. Global starts trying to recover. XR's down. NRXP's got a recovery, down 10% now. Carnival down nearly 0.18. Pfizer down 1.67. Harpoon Therapeutics is down another 4%. I'm 35% down now. Long way down. Oxygen is coming up. Lucid Group up 1%. I've got $700 in my buying power now. Virgin Galactic. There we go. It's recovering. Virgin Galactic's recovering. Let's see what happens now. I'm 17% down. Come on. The volume is still low. We're only looking at 3,686. I'll show you where I'm getting that information from. There, from the Robinhood app there, 3,688. So, keeping my eye on that. So, hopefully, I mean, 18% down is around about my lowest, my worst position, because I bought in lower. I've improved my position there. So I like to see I'm nearer to making a profit. Now, I've just bought in at 24, 60 shares at 24, and 24 and 75. So selling around about 25 would take some money off the table, make a bit of profit to protect some of those losses that I've made, or leave it in there. It's 12% of my portfolio right now. Doesn't really want to get more than 15. Not really. I mean 20 at a max. I think this is an opportunity to get cheap stock. Martin, it's going up. What do you think? You said you're down 20% with total, but I believe in it. So when it settles down, I may put more in it, but not right now. What do you think, Martin? Looking at that chart right now, do you think it's time to get in, or what do you think? In the live chat, Risky Fire hits 52-week low. Let's have a look at Risky Fire. This is one of my pre-IPOs. That if I sell, I'd pay a penalty, but I'm not that concerned about that penalty. Risky Fire, let's have a look. This is to do with all the travel and so on and so forth. See, I've only got a small position anyway. Market value, yeah, I mean, I'm up 17%, but it's dropped back. Yeah, it's fallen off the cliff this morning. But I'm still up 17%. Oh dear. Well, big drops this morning. Look at this. My portfolio has never seen drops like this. And that's why Bitcoin bounced. Remember I said to you that could happen? Yeah. Profit taking all the time. People are very unsure of it. It went up, they sold, it dropped back down again. That's what people are doing. It's called scalping. Global sat, slight recovery. But we're keeping our eye on SPCE. It's just dropping back again. So it doesn't want to break out yet. Well, we're watching this for a minute. I'll just invite you to a few things that are happening. On the Day Trader channel where you are right now, we have the Martyn Lucas music show every day at 4 p.m. Eastern Time, 4 p.m. Central, 5 p.m. Eastern Time. I go live from my studio. This is my studio here, and do live requests. Consider subscribing to that channel. I also have the content creator teaching people how to create content. I've just launched it. It's a brand new channel, just literally a couple of days ago. How to grow on YouTube and TikTok. And also, this one was released yesterday. YouTube and TikTok short videos. If you want to have your short videos no longer than 59 seconds, but best around 15 seconds, send them in to me at the email martyn@martynlucas.com, and we'll feature your videos there. It's all 15 second to 59 second long videos. Bit of fun. And if you've got some videos that you'd like to promote, send them in to me, and I will put them on the channel. It's a fun channel of just 15 second to 59 second videos. Consider subscribing to it. And check it out. There we go. That's my channel there. YouTube and TikTok short videos. There we go. Just released it yesterday. Right. Down 48% now. Sorry, what am I talking about? Down 1.38. Watching 10-year also. Watching, I think it's a good price for SPC. Just sitting cash for next few weeks. For markets, put a little more into VIXY right now. Watching 10-year also, which is rising as well. So, makes sense. Virgin Galactic still dropping. So, Martin, you know, you're on the right side of it. Bitcoin. Oh, we're going to have a rocky month, I think. Global Star going back. Yeah, I've got some money on the side here as well now. Only $700, but I have. Yeah, look at that in the last hour. That was Bitcoin that did that. Exos down. NRXP down. It's still falling. DRAS is still not here. Have you noticed? DRAS hasn't come in. But that's fine. We don't know. He could be watching the show, just doesn't want to speak to us. But I hope he does come in, because it's not his fault that NRXP's dropped. Look at VIXY right now. Okay, let's do it. VIXY. Remember, when the markets go down, this one tends to go up. Volatility, we all know. It trades on leverage. Look at that. Yeah. There we go. It's up 6% this week. So that's what happens. When the markets go down, this one tends to go up. It's high volatility. It's very risky, but this is what Martyn does. But it's a good indicator to what's happening in the market. No question about it. No question about it. When the market goes down, this goes up. or at least that's how it's always been up to now, and it still is. So it's a very important thing to watch. That. There's nothing. There's no good news out there at the minute. There's no good news at the minute. It's just VIXY is my insurance. That's a good way of looking at it. It's a good way of looking at it. Virgin Galactic now dropping even more. It's kind of like right now. There we go. Thought so. Didn't I say to you we'd have a big green candle? We had a really big green candle. People have bought into that. That's me, by the way. That green candle represents me. That's my $1,000 or whatever it was. That's me. But yeah, see, people are buying in. Absolutely. It's now had 4.5 million volume. But I think it's a good opportunity to get in. I do. That problem they'll fix. There's no question. I mean, Richard Branson's had a successful airline for many, 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 many years. He knows how to fix that problem. I'm not the slightest bit concerned with Virgin fixing that problem. And when they do, this will bounce back. And I'll make some money on the way up. It doesn't have to go, that 19% doesn't have to go to plus. I could be making profits on the way up. It's a difficult morning. You just got to be brave and hold on. Yes, Martin, I think you're right. And that's it. Remember, you don't lose money unless you sell when you're down. Unless you regard it as cost of business and you believe that there's better opportunity. For example, I just sold Amazon. Right? Who would sell Amazon, right? But I just did because I'd made some profit on Amazon. And look, it was a good I did because they just dropped. There's going to be a new opportunity to buy in Amazon. But Amazon were up, and I took that money and I put it into Virgin Galactic. I could buy back in Amazon. No, it's not a problem. Everything's down right now. So if you've got some stocks that have made you some money, I mean, I could do that for Rolls-Royce. Look, Rolls-Royce. I'm up $100. I could sell that $1,000. Use that in Virgin Galactic. Same thing. Saka, the same thing. I could do that. Rolls-Royce isn't going to suddenly explode tomorrow. Virgin Galactic's now down 23. Lucid is interesting. It's on the way down. I've made a profit on that. I could there Sell 49 shares of Lucid. I just sold Lucid because it's going down. I've made a profit on it, but I've just sold out. There you go. I just sold out. So I've got some more money now on file. SPCE is now picking up a little bit. If it drops to 22, 21, I'll buy some more. I've got some money on hand now. If we look in my portfolio, look, I've got $1,500 on hand. That's better. We're seeing a bounce now. I bet Bitcoin. No, it's not. No, it's not. It's Virgin Galactic that's doing that. Yep, Virgin Galactic's recovering slightly. So I've got some money on hand now. If Virgin Galactic drops to like 22, 21, I'll buy some more. But otherwise, I'm gonna stick with that. Bitcoin's 44. Remember, everyone's talking about the resistance at 44. Oxygen is up now. I just had an alert on my phone. Let's have a look. Oxygen. There we go. Up today, 5%. 92 shares of Oxygen. Yeah, this is this 44 resistance that no one wants to see it go past. See around here, this trend line around here, we don't want to see it drop below this. Company is working on what happened. Global Star's filing with the Federal Communications FCC last week is actually related to a project the Louisiana-based company is working on with NASA and does not mention Apple's name at all. Gurman noted in the latest edition of his Power On newsletter for Bloomberg. I don't know. I've not read that. That's new information for me. Global Star's filing with the Federal Communications Commission, FCC, last week is actually related to a project the Louisiana-based company is working on with NASA and does not mention Apple's name at all. Okay. No, I didn't know that. I got that information from Kenneth, but that's okay. Anything to do with space and satellites, I'm totally invested in anyway. And it's only 2.5% of my play. I wouldn't put any more into it. That's kind of where I see that. Right, down today, 1.65. Riskified is still going down. SPCE, slight recovery. It's hitting that resistance again. Let's see it. Hitting this resistance here of around about 24. We'll see it break that, then it will go back up again. But there it goes, 24.03. If it pushes through this, it could go up. Return a bit. People will buy in, see it as an opportunity. I really am not concerned of the delays. There we go. There you go. Look, a big candle. A big candle of green. People buying in. People are seeing it as an opportunity. It is an opportunity right now. There we go. It's broken 24. I'm 18% down now. That's the best I've been for a long time. Since they devalued the stock, I got caught out on that. When they devalued that stock, I was doing great with Virgin Galactic. I was up. I was doing well. When they devalued the stock, that's when I dropped down, and I've always been down. I've not been able to get out, do anything with it all that time. So Let's have a rundown of the stocks. Oh, Bitcoin has just dropped below the 44. Okay, that's a bit of a concern now. Okay, this is where you have to decide what you believe in. Okay, it's dropped the 44. That resistance line has been broken. It could fall down now. It could fall down now, and there it. Look, see it? It could fall down now. That's a big part of my portfolio, 17%. Now you have to decide. I could sell. I've got nearly $2,000 profit. Just be done with Bitcoin. Out. Done. Forget it. Or no, still believe in it returning. This is a big question now. You have to decide. Do I believe that Bitcoin is the future, or do I believe it's a fad and going to go away in 5 minutes? Remember, Bitcoin has been around a long time. It's not a new thing. This chart only goes back 5 years. It's not a new thing. This is not the time to sell. Only time will tell, though. But I've decided. I've decided to stay the course. Too many investments have been made. Too many people. Too many ETFs are being created. Too many institutions are getting involved in this. This is now manipulation. Manipulation by the whales. People who made some money, who bought in at 30, 35, going, oh, I don't like this, selling out. They're going to miss out. That's the decision you have to make. And I've made that decision, and I'm going to stand by that. If I sell now, yes, I've made 30% profit. See you later, Alicia. Thanks ever so much for being here. Thank you very much. And also thanks for liking the video. I appreciate that very much indeed. Really do. So that's the decision I've made. Global Star, slight recovery. I've just bought some more Global Star. There we go. I've just bought some more Global Star. I'm down just 8% now. Much better position. What about Virgin Galactic now improving? There we go, look. Is that Bitcoin doing that? Is a recovery coming up again? Have a nice day, Patty. I've got to go. See you later, Mike. Have a nice day. Thank you ever so much for being here, Patty. Thank you very much. Appreciate it very much indeed. I got a bug just come into the studio. We're being attacked by aliens. Where did it go? We're being attacked by aliens. I got it. We're being attacked by aliens, but don't worry, I got it. Oh dear. Right, Virgin Galactic. There we go. Look. Virgin Galactic now picking up. There we go. There's the buying candles coming in now. People have seen an opportunity to buy in. It's now got 5 million volume. Exos down, NRXP down slightly. Carnival now up 0.5%. Carnival, carnival, carnival. My average is 22.92. $22.82. Right, Bitcoin is just picking up slightly again. Global Sat down 8% now. Exos still going down. VTI is turning around. That could mean the market is about to recover. And if you see that now, I'm down 1.29, it is. Riskified's up picking up slightly. Virgin Galactic now improving. So we're watching, and now VTI is coming back again slightly, so we're watching that. We're also watching other stocks. Virgin Galactic just dropping back a bit again. I just put more into GSAT to lower my dollar average. It's gone a bit quiet now in the chat. We're going to end the show, I think. Let me know who's here. Just everyone in the chat that's still with me, just let me know if you're still here. And then I'll have a little decide whether we're going to finish now. I'll go off air and carry on doing these trades. But let me know if you're still with me. Virgin Galactic now up to 5.5 million listening and working. Thank you, Martin. I just put some more into GSAT as it dropped back down to Oxygen's up today, just got announced. Carnival bouncing upwards. NRXP is now dropping back even further. Oxygen's now up nearly 10%. Oxygen's nearly 10% today. Some good news for Oxygen. So I'm down 6%. I haven't made any money on it yet. But it's up 10% today. 11%. It's taking off. Oxygen is taking off right now. Pay attention to Oxygen. 11%. So we're seeing a pump. 11.5%. There's some real news coming for Oxygen right now. %, 12.5%. A real pump coming into Oxygen right now. Nearly 13%. Could be an opportunity there. I am in with you, Martin. The green candle. It's also me. 13.5%. 14%. Oxygen, 14.5%. Oxygen is on fire, folks. Oxygen is going to the moon. 14. All of a sudden. There we go. Look at all this green candles coming in now. It's literally on fire. Oxygen, 14, 15%, 15.5%. We've got a real on fire stock here right now. 16%, 16.5%. Have you ever seen a growth like this? This is a real pump stock now. 16.5%. It's happening right now. $17.5%. Okay, I'm now about to enter for the very first time the green. I'm still down 0.13. I'm down 0.1. I'm now down 0.05. Any moment now I could literally break... be in the green for the very first time. Oxygen at 16.5%. 17.5%. Virgin Galactic is recovering. There's my portfolio picking up now. Over this last few minutes. Carnival's picking up. NRXP's flat now. Exos down. Global Sat sideways. Bitcoin up slightly. Harpoon Therapeutics recovering. Pfizer recovering slightly. Oxygen is now 17% up. I'm down just $6 on this investment. Never made any money on Oxygen. I'm up 12% overall right now. I am up 12% overall. Right? Seriously? Oh, Oxygen is now up 20%. Oxygen is absolutely lit up. 19%. Wow, look at that. Look at Oxygen go now. 18%, 19%. I'm up $12. I only have 92 shares in it. Let's have a look. Let's keep that to the front now. My portfolio's, yeah, average is 745. Risky Fight is turning around. Virgin Galactic is shooting up. That's the best I've ever been. Just down 16% now. Since it devalued. That was the right move this morning to increase my investment on that. So we've gone from, we've gained minus nearly 6%. Yeah, I've gained 3% this morning on that. That's good. That was a good move. Oxygen is now nearly at 17.5%. I'm watching Oxygen very, very closely. We got friends over there on TikTok. You can't see my trading screens. If you want to see my trading screens, we've grown 5,000 to 52,000 in 5 months on Robinhood. If you want to see my trading screens, then hop into the profile link right here and then hit the Instagram icon, and then right behind there is my YouTube link. Click the YouTube link and come over to me right now. You'll see my trading screens and what we're actually trading on. You're missing out if you're not jumping in. I've just sold my position of Oxygen because I recovered, because I bought in at the wrong time. So I managed to get all that money back out again. That was good. I bought in at the wrong time. So now if it drops back, I can get back in again. If it continues to pump, then I did it wrong. I just sold my position there on Oxygen. My portfolio now has a buying power again of 1,300. I'll buy in again when it drops down to where it opened this morning. If it does. If it doesn't, I won't. But that's what I'm going to do. Risky Fire's improved. Virgin Galactic, fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. I'm just 16% down now. That's the best I've been. So we're now seeing some real benefits there now. GSAT is now up slightly as well. There you go. I just sold at the top. Timed that perfectly, I think. What do you think, Martin? That was hell of a pump, wasn't it? 17%. I sold at 16.5. Yeah, look. Whoa. See? What are you doing, Martin? If you sold it at that position, I'm going to buy it back again round about 7.45 like you. If that drops back, if it doesn't, if it continues to go up, then I miss out. That's fine. I don't mind. I've got 700 out with it. I'm out at 8.25. There we go. Oh, and there she goes. There she blows. Look, that was a hell of a pump. That was the right thing to do. Kept one share. Yeah. Yeah. Always the way to do it, isn't it? It's just sometimes quicker to click sell all. But to be honest with you, if you've got 100, just sell 99. Keep something in the game. It just keeps it there, doesn't it? Keeps it on your list. Keeps it on your radar. I totally agree with you. I will. I won't close that off my screen. I'll keep that there. And once that drops back, if that drops back to around about the sevens and somethings, I will. Thank you very much. I will. Just bear with me 1 second, folks. I just got to check something. 1 second. All right, I'm back. I've checked on something, and it checked out all right. Right, there we go. Oh, do you know what? Do you know what, Martin? I'm really happy with that trade. I'm really happy with that because I bought Okigen and I've been down the entire time. You watch as I say that, it's going to flip and go boom up 100%, but that's fine. I will catch it when it drops back down again. If it doesn't, if it goes up, then I miss out. That's fine. It's okay to do that. My overall portfolio. Let's have a look at my portfolio now. Is down 0.86 today. Riskified is improving. Thank you. Virgin Galactic has a big improvement. I'm down 17%. I was down nearly 25 today. So that's good. There it is. There's the money coming in back into Virgin Galactic. Amazon is now dropped a little bit down today, so I will buy. Let me just buy Amazon. So I am 11 a.m. watching slowly drop back. So I am 11 up watching slowly drop back, watching my MC again. Okay. Share right. I'm gonna buy shares, dollars. Just get myself $100 worth of Amazon again, just so I'm in the game. Review order, because it's now down today. That's good. Review order. You are placing a good for the yeah. Dollars. Yeah. Buy. Done. There we go. Amazon's down, so I've just brought myself back in the game slightly. What was the other sales today I've made? So I can get back in them. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Just remind myself what they were. Amazon, right, Okigen. Let me go back to Okigen a minute. Okigen. Yeah, I'm not gonna buy a share yet. Global Star, GSAT, check that. Yeah, I've got shares in that. Fine. Lucid. Yeah, I've got one share. That's fine. And Virgin Galactic. You order to buy. Hooray! You order to buy. I say that's fine. Okay, we're all good. We're all where we want to be. There we go. We're rising again. 48.6. Yeah. Nice and rising now. Positioning myself. Oxygen's dropping back. Yeah, when it hits... Oh... Starting to read this market now. This is great. 6 weeks in and we're starting to get a feel for it. Are you proud of me, Martin? I'm proud of me. That was great. That was great. I made 17% there on Oxygen and sold that. That was brilliant. I bought it at the wrong time. I need to get that back down to 7.45 and then buy back in again. Yeah, brilliant. What about builders as well? Builder is my friends over on TikTok. Tap the screen so I can see you here. If you want to be part of the show and you want to see my trading screens and how we're making money here this morning, click the profile, then click the Instagram icon, and then come into the YouTube link, and then you'll see what I'm actually buying, selling, trading. It's my real money. It's a genuine, real site, real channel. Don't sell you anything. You just watch what I'm doing. It's entertainment purposes, but it's real money. It's real money. Okay, let's have a look. What about Builder? I want to look at Builder because people are starting to build things again. Here we go. This is important. Where's this going? I don't have any shares in Builder, and I should have. Did I sell all these? See how it's rising all the time? Little dip off the top. Little dip off the top. Down on the week. Yeah. Little dip. 100%. I'm going to buy it. I did well on this one. I made some money. I bought in at 53, 54. And I sold at 54.30. Yeah, I sold. I made a profit on this. So I'm just going to buy a share just to get myself in on the game with that one as well. Review order. Buy. Done. Builder purchased. There we go. Refresh the screen. I bought a builder. I bought a builder. What a builder. Okay, got back into that. Not bad at all. Okay, so we're recovering now. So, Oxygen, that is. Oxygen. Yep, I'm working from home today, or I would have missed that. It was one of the specs I wanted to get out of for the next month. Yes. Oxygen, that is. Oxygen, that is. That's what you mean, right? You're confusing me, but yeah, there you go. I'm really pleased with that. That's really good timing. I need a pop like that, MMAT. I'm so happy with that. That was great. That was really, really great. It's lovely when it goes like that, doesn't it? MMAT. Yes, whatever. Learn to speak properly, mate. Learn to type properly. What's going on? Meta Materials up 1% today. What's it been doing? It's down on the week though, isn't it? Down on the week. Yeah, pretty flat time. Meta Materials. You looking for a? Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Yeah, I can see where you're going with that. Nice one. All right, there we go. Up 0.5% today. Sorry, down 0.5% today, which is not bad. I'm considering all this crashing around us. I'm actually repositioning nicely. Trading sideways, down 5% in the last hour. We're at 44 though. We're holding that 44. Can you show the Bitcoin chart? Yes, Jens Lakemeyer. All right, welcome. We got a new member, Martin. Welcome, Jens Lakemeyer. Let's welcome Jens. Where are you from, first of all? And if you could help us out, we're a brand new channel. So our 6 weeks will be 6 weeks old this Friday. If you give us a thumbs up, it suggests the video to YouTube that people like it. What we do here that's quite unique is it's all our own it's my own real money, real share. This is my real money. And by clicking the like button, it helps the algorithm on YouTube. So if you wouldn't mind, that'd be great. And consider subscribing to the channel if you like what we're doing here, and ringing the bell. South Africa, well, welcome. I've been to Kenya, seen all the lions and stuff like that, and I did some gigs there. I'm a musician. I was voted by Elton John as the world piano man. This is my TV studio. Hey! And every day I sing live here in my studio. Welcome. Thank you ever so much for being here. South Africa, this is my Bitcoin. Yes, this is my Bitcoin position. I had $10,000. It's dropped back to 8,000. I'm up 31%. The reason why it's done all this over the last week or so, this is when it went into what's the name of the country? El Salvador. And a lot of people who don't understand Bitcoin got fearful, sold off when it dropped, and it was manipulated by the whales, guys who own millions and millions of dollars worth of Bitcoin. Now people, sold off, and that's why the price has dropped. And then the rich guys bought more. So that's what happens. When rich get rich, the poor get poorer, and that's what happens. You got to understand it. When I first came into Bitcoin, it terrified me. I didn't understand it. Well, now I do, and I'm okay with it. And now I'm waiting and just investing in it. It's just sitting there, I still believe it'll be 100,000 by the end of the year. So this is the chart right now for Bitcoin. This is what's going on. You have a little closer look. Look. Whoops a daisy. I apologize. There we go. There we go. You can see big sell-offs. People are getting very fearful, not understand what's going on. But I do, and I feel very confident with it. So there you go. I'm just sitting holding it. Do you have any Bitcoin at all? 17 likes now. Fantastic. Thank you very much, everybody, for liking the video this morning. Right, let me look at my portfolio now, increasing up to 0.61 downs. That's much better. Metamaterials, we're looking at that one for Martyn. Let's have a look. Riskified now up, improving. Virgin Galactic much improved, 16% now. Really happy now. My portfolio is now 6,000, 12.5% now. That's better. Virgin Galactic now. That's the best I've ever been. 16% down. That's good. Remember, they got devalued. There we go. There's the buying. Yes, I am in my. Oh, you're a miner. Cool. I tried it for a little while in my studio here with just my regular computers, and I was making the same amount of money as it was costing me on electric. So it didn't actually make me any money, so I stopped doing it. But it was only very small. It was like $1 a day, it was like nothing. But it was interesting to have mined some Bitcoin now. But I believe it's getting harder and harder every day, right? That's the thing with it. But Bitcoin is a 17% part of my portfolio, as you can see here, 17%, and it's one of my best investments. Even though we're down right now, I'm still up $2,000, 31%. But it's a staple for my portfolio. I have to say, people say it's volatile. It's no less volatile than anything else. To be perfectly honest, and look what happened to Virgin Galactic. Look what happened to Oxygen this morning. For God's sake. In fact, let's go and have a quick look back at Oxygen. Let's have a look. I haven't bought anything back in Oxygen yet, have I? No. Oxygen. Let's have a look. Oxygen, so it dropped, so it got that pump, that's where we sold, it's dropped back, picked up a little bit, another little bounce, look. Who knows, it could keep going. For me, it's worth it to mine because electricity is not so expensive. Yeah, well, that's great, absolutely. If you've got cheap electricity, then it's great, it's free money, right? How big is your mining? Are you a super miner with thousands of graphics cards working away, or are you just a guy with one computer or a couple of phones? I mean, what's your thing? Virgin Galactic now. This is great. Just 16% down now. Seeing a real boost now to Virgin Galactic. I'm really happy here. I could sell because I bought in here at look, some 24s, 60 shares at 24, but I'm not going to. I could take some money off the table. I could absolutely do that, and I'd make 60 times 6. Yes, that's not worth it. It's not worth it. I'm going to do nothing right now. Global Sat now improving, just 4% down now with a $2,500 investment now. Really pleased with that. Thank you ever so much, everyone who liked the video today. We're growing 17 likes now. This is wonderful. Consider subscribing if you've just joined us. Does anybody here? Does anyone like? No, only one machine, 2 cards, and looking into more cards. Oh, nice one, Jens. All right, starting off small. That's like me. Brilliant. I'm glad you're making some money though. Nice one. If anybody here wants to send in, if they have any videos they want to send in and be in my the YouTube and TikTok short video channel. This is the Day Trader channel right here, right now. This is what you're watching, right? Jens. Martin, say hello to Jens Lakemeyer from South Africa. Martin's from America, the US. And that's where I am right now, even though I'm from England. Yeah, on my main channel here, if you're interested, I've got a music channel, Martyn Lucas music channel. I was voted by Elton John as the world piano man. I've got the content creator, showing people how to create online content, and a YouTube channel I launched this morning called YouTube and TikTok short videos. People send me in videos that I put between 15 seconds and 59 seconds. 15 seconds is better. Email them to me, and I feature them on the channel. All right, and it's like a jukebox of fun 15-second videos. Right, metamaterials is going up. Martin, you'll be pleased. Oxygen is now starting to pick up again. I'm not going to get back into that until that drops down again. Risky 5 trading sideways. Virgin Galactic picking up, lovely now. Just 16% down. Very happy with that. Very happy with that position. Really good. Amazon today down 0.16. What's my average? 3,465. 3,463. I could buy some more of that now because I've made some money. Let me have a look. Let me go to my portfolio. What's my buying power right now? 1,175. Oxygen. Oh, there we go. It's going up again. We were celebrating that we got out of it. Let's see what happens now. All right, so we're going to keep our eye on Oxygen. We could have some more plays here. Let's see what happens. Virgin Galactic, very happy with this. Apple, Amazon, of course. Apple's got the new phone coming out. I've got 10 shares in there, so we're going to see a bounce with Apple, of course. Coke is up today, nice. AT&T is up today as well, 1.62. Disney is up today. Vanguard up today. Google was up today. Microsoft just down slightly. My average cost $295. So yeah, I'm up there. McDonald's is up 1% today. Average cost $233, $241. No, I think there's a correction coming, so I'm going to hold back on a lot of these things. Ford, we're now seeing up 1%. Never feel guilty with a 40% profit. Still have one share in Oxygen. Yeah. Absolutely. I'd say, I know it was 17. I think it was 17%. Yeah, 17%. Absolutely. So, Bitcoin trading sideways. Global Start moving up now. That's great. Just down 4% now. That's good. Okay. Moving up in the last hour. Very, very happy with that. We're going to keep our eye on Oxygen. If it can drop, we'll get in there. And also SPCE. We want to see if we just want to see what we do there. So give me just 1 minute, guys. We got a good crowd with us. We're not going to go right now. We're going to keep on going because we've got some good stuff happening here. My profit was 14%. It was up 17% when it went into the green and got out. Nice one. Congratulations. Absolutely right. Stick with me, guys. We're going to keep our eye on this, and I'll be back in just a moment. I'm going to give you some breaking news. Well, I disappear a second. Hang on. There's some news I wanted to share with you, and that is, yes, I'll be right back after this bit of news.
Good morning to you. Congratulations on reaching this deal. Help the audience understand what it all means.
Hey, good morning, Andrew. Listen, thanks for having me on the show. It's an exciting day for TransUnion and for Neustar. So what it means in simple terms is that in combination with Neustar, we can combine our data and our analytic insights and help promote security in online commerce. So both companies, our visions are to help make trust possible in the digital economy by resolving the identity of consumers online in order to do really a few things. One, to mitigate e-commerce fraud, which we all know has been growing far too fast, but also to help tailor marketing offers and service experiences for consumers during their online transactions.
So, but just help us, because I think the average person on the street, to the extent that they're thinking about you, thinks about their credit score, right?
Yes.
So how does that change that at all? And what are the other sort of businesses on the that are ancillary or related to it that this is going to change that dynamic?
Yeah, listen, the core of the business remains credit reporting. We're one of the largest credit reporting agencies in the world. We operate not only in the U.S., but in 30 markets around the world. And we think that the information that we provide, the credit information, helps make trust possible in commercial transactions between consumers and businesses. Now, there's been an explosion of growth in online commerce, as we all know. That accelerated, really took several quantum leaps during the pandemic. And the challenge for consumers and businesses alike is ensuring the security of transactions online, right? In order to do that, you need to identify and resolve the identity of the individuals behind the devices that are conducting the transactions. And so for several years now, TransUnion has been using It's authoritative information on
I'm back again now, but we'll just continue to the end of this news. Thank you very much.
Individuals, combined with a lot of information we've accumulated on the digital devices that those individuals use to conduct commerce online, to help identity proof, to help resolve their identity. And this combination with Neustar, who is a market leader in online ID resolution, is just going to deepen and broaden our capabilities to do so.
And there we go. Thank you very much for being with me during that. That's wonderful. Thank you. Right, now, look, the past hour, I'm up 0.81%. Today, I'm down 0.47, but we've had a big recovery during the morning. So that's really, really good. Ocugen now is going up again. So we sold out. It's okay. Said that could happen. So you got to remember that. Ocugen could keep going all the way. We don't know. Let's have a look. Let's see if we can find some Ocugen news. Why that is doing that? Ocugen. Ocugen investigation initiated by former Louisiana attorney. Ocugen. What's breaking? That's 2 days ago. We want to find some news from today. Let's go to YouTube for that. YouTube. Let's go into Ocugen and see what we can find here. Ocugen news today. 4 weeks ago. No. We want latest news. So let's go to upload date and look at 22 hours ago. No, we're not hearing any news coming out right now. Somebody must be talking about it. Someone must know what's going on with Ocugen. Ocugen news today. Two hours ago. Let's read into this. Right, here we go. Ocugen is higher by 1.68 Monday. Yeah, but that was way before the 17. What's the reason? Ocugen stock closed up and is up. Pre-market tends to be more volatile due to significantly lower volume, as most investors only trade between standard trading hours. Ocugen has a poor overall score of 30, meaning the stock holds a better value than 30% of stocks. Sorry, meaning that holds a better value than 30. Ocugen has a poor overall score of 30, meaning the stock holds a better value than just 30% of stocks at its current price. Okay. Investors Observer's overall ranking system is a comprehensive evaluation and considers both technical and fundamental factors. That's not the news. Not telling me anything there. So we'll forget that one. Reddit crowd. Yes, being pumped by the Reddit crowd. More than likely. More than likely. Yep, still going up. But I'm not going to buy in again now. I think that'd be ridiculous to buy in now. Let that settle back. Risky Fight is up slightly. My overall portfolio now is down 0.51 today. I regard that as good at the moment. Anything that is a down slightly at the moment, I know Martyn's made real good gains, but anything that's down slightly at the moment is, in my book, is good. It's a hard month. We've had a lot of stuff going on. We've got the fear of corrections. It's fine. Virgin Galactic, I'm happy with, dropping back a bit slightly, but still to be 16% down now is my best position that I've been in since they devalued the stock. Amazon, I'm not going to buy in just yet. Johnson & Johnson down slightly. Johnson & Johnson time 169, 165. Opportunity there. Opportunity to buy some Johnson & Johnson. I've got $1,000. I don't want to spend all of that. Maybe 500 at the most. Let's have a look. Back to Johnson & Johnson again. Johnson & Johnson, yeah. Let's have a look. Yeah, Johnson & Johnson, good time. Yeah. Good dividends, I think it is. Yeah, 2.48. Yeah. Let's have a look. Buy some Johnson & Johnson shares. If I buy 5, review order, buy, done. Okay, review order. 10, refresh the screen. There we go, just 1.65 down now. There we go. That's a good position. Tesla moving up. 10 shares. VIXI would be 10 shares of VIX will be about 220. I don't want to do that. I know why you've got it, Martin. I just don't like it. Even though, look, I get it. I don't like bet. It's like shorting stock. It's like you're betting on it, things going down, and then when it goes down, this goes up. I just don't like the idea of that. I know it makes sense to you, and it makes sense really, but I just don't like the idea of betting on something going down. Because that's what it is, right? When the market goes down, that goes up. So it's just not the way I think, the way I do things. So I like Johnson & Johnson. It builds things, it makes things. So yeah, that's my thought. Oxygen, see, that was right. You could have easily got look. That's the fear. That's fear of missing out. Oh, look, it's going up, so now buy some now, and you could get caught out there at paying a premium. And we did right there, Martin. We did right selling Oxygen, right? Tesla is down today. Facebook is down today. Apple up today. Coke today up. AT&T is up. What's their overall? Over the last month, they're down. Over the last 3 months, they're down. They pay a good dividend, I believe. Yeah, 7.65. 7.65. Down 30% of the past 30 years. Sorry, 5 years. Disney's a good investment, very good investment. 0.48 dividends. It's only very small, but up the last year 39%. Good growth. Is now a good time. We've got a bit of a drop, bit of a dip over the last week. Yeah, really, possibly. Google's great. Look at Google. Doesn't pay a dividend, of course. It's a growth stock. Over the last month, it's up for nearly 3.5%. Microsoft down a little bit. Oh, there's definitely a little dip there. That's a good time. Look at that. That's a bit of a dip for Microsoft. You could go back in time a little bit. Yeah, I'm going to buy a share of Microsoft right there. Going to buy a share of Microsoft, definitely. Oh, hang on. Oh, I'm up. Yeah, but the 278, 294. Hang on. Over the past week, it's been down. I must have bought around here. Microsoft, yeah, I bought around here. At, what is it, 278. Yeah, 3 months. I would have bought back here. But you can't ever go back in time like that. So yeah, it'll increase my value. It'll increase my average, but it's still a good time to be in on Microsoft. Because look, it's gone. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna buy a share. Review order. There we go. I've got 2 shares of Microsoft now. There we go. Remember, every transaction is its own transaction. Can't be concerned about it. Look, same with McDonald's. Look, good growth, fantastic, great dividends as well. Over the past year, so about 233, 240. Over the last 3 months, only up 1%. Yep, it's dropped back over the week a little bit. This little correction. Yeah, I'm going to buy a share of McDonald's as well. 1 share. Let me just check my buying power. Brokerage count. Oh, I've only got 52. I've only got 52 bucks left. Brokerage $52. Yeah. So I can't do that. I'm not leveraging it. Nearly got caught out there, didn't I? Nearly clicked buy. Gone on to leverage. Imagine that. That would have been a bit of a disaster, wouldn't it? All right, we're going to end the show right now. It's been a very good morning. Thank you ever so much, everyone, for tuning in. Oxygen is now bouncing around there. We keep our eye on that all day long. Add to list. New ideas. Just what we want to keep our eye on it, don't we? So, Martyn, congratulations to you. You're the winner. You are up more than anyone else. So, congratulations to you. Oxygen is now bouncing a bit more. Look. Risky 5 trading sideways. Virgin Galactic, yeah, I'm happy with that. 17% down. I'm okay with that now. Amazon going down a bit more. I bought back in there this morning. Johnson & Johnson, I've now got 15 shares. That was good. There we go. Let's finish off by looking at Bitcoin trading sideways now. That's fine. Up in the last hour. Down on the day. Global Star. picked up slightly today. I'm down just 6%, so not bad position to be in on a day like that. Exos. In fact, let me go back to global sat a second and look at the month, because we had the big bounce. See, to be down 6%. Yeah, I'm okay with that. I'm comfortable with that. Yeah. That's all right. I think I'll be on the good. I think I'll get out of that with a profit. Exos down slightly, 5%. NRXP just trading sideways. This one here, I mean, NRXP. I don't know. We could call it a day on that and just lose $75, but I don't want to do that. 3 months. I'm just going to sit and hold that. Yeah. It's at its lowest levels. So I'm going to sit and hold that and see what happens. There we go, coming up slightly. All right, back to work for me. All right, take care of yourselves. I'll see you all later. In the meantime, have a great day. Happy trading, be safe, and I'll see you for the closing bell. Bye-bye for now.